Hello my friends, welcome back to English Topics for You and super welcome 30 Days English Success Challenge. I am Zain. First of all, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you so much for accepting my 30 Days English Success Challenge. The fact that you are watching this video tells me one thing. You want to improve your English. You want to become more confident and you want to change your future. I am really happy to have you here. Welcome to our English learning family for the next 30 days. I will be with you every single day. Together, we will learn, we will practice, we will grow. And most importantly, we will never give up. Before we start, take a deep breath, relax your mind, because today we are starting something powerful. Maybe you have tried before, maybe you failed before, that's okay. Today is different. Today you have a plan. Today you have a guide and today you have me with you. And let's not waste any more time. Let's begin this journey together. Let me ask you something. Have you ever started learning English but stopped after a few days? Have you ever watched hundreds of English videos but still couldn't speak confidently? Have you ever said, my English is not improving? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not the only one. Thousands of students face the same problem. The problem is not English. The problem is that most people don't have a plan. Some people study for one day, then they stop. Some people study for 1 week, then they become busy. Some people keep watching videos but they never practice. And after a few months, they say English is too difficult. No, English is not difficult. The real problem is giving up too early. Let me tell you something honest. I have seen students who are very intelligent, but they still struggle with English. Why? Not because they lack talent, but because they lack consistency. Talent without consistency gives you nothing. But consistency without talent can still make you fluent. That's exactly why I created this challenge for the next 30 days. You don't have to think about what to study. Your only job is simple. You watch one lesson every day. Practice what you learn and don't quit. That's it. No confusion. No searching for random videos, no wasting time deciding what to learn. Everything is already planned. You just need to show up every single day. Now let me share something important. Many students make the same mistakes. Let's talk about 5 of them. Mistake number 1, they only read grammar books, but they never speak. Grammar is important, but speaking is more important. You can know every grammar rule, but if you don't speak, you will still feel stuck. Mistake number 2, they wait for the right time to start. They say, I will start next week. Next week never comes. The right time is now, today, this moment. Mistake number 3, they compare themselves with others. They see someone speaking fluently and they feel sad. Mistake number 4, they are afraid of making mistakes. So they stay silent. They think, what if people laugh at me? But let me tell you something. Every fluent speaker made thousands of mistakes before becoming fluent. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Mistake number 5, they try to learn everything at once. Grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, listening, speaking all in one day. This makes them tired and confused. Instead, small steps work better. One lesson at a time. So today, let's avoid these 5 mistakes. No more waiting, no more comparing, no more fear. Only speaking, only practicing, only growing step by step, day by day. Now you may ask, what will happen if I complete this challenge? That's a great question. If you complete all 30 days, you will build a daily English learning habit. You will learn useful vocabulary. You will understand English more easily. You will become more confident while speaking. You will stop being afraid of making mistakes. You will be able to talk to people in English. You will feel proud of yourself. You will be able to watch English videos without subtitles. You will feel more confident in interviews. You will feel more confident in your job or studies. And most importantly, you will prove something to yourself. You will prove that, yes, I can improve my English. Remember, this challenge is not about becoming perfect. It is about becoming better every single day. Perfect English does not exist. Even native speakers make mistakes. So don't chase perfection, chase progress. I want you to make one promise. Not me, to yourself. Say it with me. I will never give up. Again, I will never give up. One more time. I will never give up. Excellent. Always remember, small progress every day creates big success. A river doesn't become big in one day, drop by drop. It becomes an ocean. Your English is the same. Word by word, sentence by sentence, you will become fluent. Think about a small seed. You plant it in the ground. You don't see any result on day 1 or day 2. But if you water it every day, one day it becomes a strong tree. Your English learning is exactly like that seed. Water it every day, with practice, with patience. How to complete this challenge? Now let me tell you how this challenge works. Every day watch one video. Don't skip any lesson. Practice with you learn. Repeat the English sentences loud. Take notes if you can. And come back tomorrow. Every lesson is connected. If you skip one day, you may miss an important step. So promise yourself today, I will complete all 30 days. Here is small tip. Set a fixed time every day. Maybe morning, maybe night, whatever works for you. But keep it the same time. This will help you build a habit. And habits are stronger than motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but a habit stays with you. Here is another tip. Keep a small notebook. Write down new sentences every day. Before we start today's lesson, please subscribe to this channel, because if you subscribe, you will never miss the next lesson of this challenge. And I have a small mission for you. Go to the comments, write challenge accepted. Yes, write in the comment challenge accepted, and also tell me which country are you watching from. I really want to know where our English learning family is growing. I will read your comment and I will try to reply to as many of you as possible. Also, give this video a like. It only takes 1 second, but it helps this challenge reach more people. Share this video with a friend who also wants to learn English. Learning together is more fun and more powerful. Now let's begin with today's English lesson. Today we are going to learn 12 powerful English sentences. After me, speak loudly. Don't just listen. Speaking is the key. Ready? Let's start. I can improve my English. Good. I can improve my English. I will practice every day. I will practice every day. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I am becoming more confident. I am becoming more confident. Today is my new beginning. Today is my new beginning. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am not afraid to speak. Every day I get better. Every day I get better. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I will never give up. I will never give up. I enjoy learning English. I enjoy learning English. I am ready for day 2. I am ready for day 2. Excellent. Now say all 12 sentences together. Speak with confidence. Take a short pause. Drink some water if you need to. Now let's learn 5 useful words along with today's lesson. Word number 1, consistent. Consistent means doing something regularly again and again. For example, I am consistent with my English practice. Confidence. Confidence means believe in your own ability. For example, my confidence growing every day. Word number 3, progress. Progress means moving forward, improving step by step. For example, I can see my progress this week. Word number 4, habit. Habit means something you can do regularly, almost automatically. For example, learning English is becoming my habit. Word number 5, journey. Journey means a long process of moving toward a goal. For example, this is just the beginning of my journey. Now try to use each of these 5 words in your own sentence. Say one sentence with each word. You just added 5 new words in your vocabulary. Now let's use some of these sentences in real life conversation. Imagine a friend asks you, "How is your English doing?" You can answer like this: I am becoming more confident. I practice every day. Mistakes help me learn, so I am not afraid. See, you just used 3 sentences from today's lesson in a real conversation. This is how you learn. Try this conversation at home, with a friend, with a family member, or even alone in front of a mirror. Now imagine someone asks you, "Why did you start this challenge?" You can answer like this: I believe I can improve my English. I want to become more confident. I trust the process and I will never give up. Notice something? You are not memorizing random words. You are using real, useful sentences. Many students worry too much about their accent. Let me tell you something. Accent is not the most important thing. No. Being understood is the most important thing. Here are 3 simple tips. Tip number 1, speak slowly. Speaking slowly helps you pronounce words clearly. Yes, fast speech often leads to mistakes. Tip number 2, open your mouth a little more when you speak English. Many languages use smaller mouth movements. English often needs slightly bigger movements. Tip number 3, listen and repeat. Find a short English audio. Listen to one sentence. Pause. Repeat it exactly the way you heard it. Do this every day. Your pronunciation will slowly improve. Remember, you don't need a perfect accent. You need clear, confident speech. That is enough to communicate well. Let's talk about something very important: confidence. Many students know English words, but they don't feel confident. Why does this happen? Because confidence doesn't come from knowledge alone. Confidence comes from practice. The more you speak, the more comfortable you feel. So today, try this small exercise. Stand in front of a mirror. Say today's 12 sentences. Look into your own eyes while speaking. This might feel strange at first, but it works. Do this for just 2 minutes every single day. That's all it takes to start. Before we finish today's lesson, let me answer a few common questions. Question number 1. I am a complete beginner. Can I still do this challenge? Yes, absolutely. This challenge is designed for all levels. Beginners, intermediate students, everyone. Just follow the lessons step by step. Question number 2. What if I miss one day? Don't panic. Just continue from where you stopped. Question number 3. How long will it take to see results? Everyone is different. Some people notice small improvements within 1 week. Others need more time. The key is patience. Trust the process. Keep showing up. Question number 4. Do I need to memorize everything? No. You don't need to memorize. You need to practice. Practice naturally helps you remember. Memorizing without practice is like reading about swimming without ever entering the water. I hope these answers help you feel more confident. Spend at least 20 minutes with English today. Read something, listen to something, speak something. Don't break your promise. Here is a small bonus task. Write down today's 12 sentences in a notebook. Read them out loud, once in the morning, once at night. Here is another bonus task. Try the mirror exercise you just talked about just 2 minutes. Remember, success comes from doing a little every single day. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. We talk about why this challenge matters. We talk about 5 common mistakes to avoid. We talk about what you will get after 30 days. We made a promise to never give up. We learned 12 powerful English sentences. We learned 5 new vocabulary words. We practiced a real conversation. And we learned a simple confidence building exercise. If you remember just one thing from today, remember this: progress, not perfection. Congratulations, you have completed day 1 of the 30 days English success challenge. I am proud of you because the hardest step is always the first step, and you showed up today, and that already makes you different from people who keep saying, I will start tomorrow. You didn't wait for tomorrow, you started today, and that decision can change your entire future. You will learn another powerful lesson that will help you improve your English even faster. So don't miss day 2. Set a reminder if you need to. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and always remember, your English success starts today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. I will see you in the next episode. Bye bye.